just share a personal experience where I felt like lifestyle and the impact on it on kidney function really hit me. I took a step back and I considered lifestyle. Rest is so important. We're all human, right? Those things happen to us. How am I going to kind of step away from this stressful situation?
Hi, everybody, and welcome to the Kidney Coach YouTube channel. I am naturopath Fiona Chin, and I'm joined by the beautiful, amazing Jessiana Seville from the Kidney Nutritional Institute. You know, if you want someone who's up to date and with the latest research, and they're your team over in the US there. So welcome and thanks again for joining me. I always appreciate your time and energy and everything that you bring. So thanks.
Yeah, I'm excited to be here.
And now our fourth big cornerstone would be lifestyle, I guess, right?
Lifestyle. Yeah. So lifestyle encompasses a lot of different things. I'll just share a personal experience where I felt like lifestyle, and we were kind of talking a little bit about this before, where lifestyle and the impact on it on kidney function really hit me. So the last couple of years have been quite stressful. We've had a lot of changes in organization. I've had a sick husband, and I finally went and got some labs done. I feel like, I don't know, 8 months ago. It took me months. I actually looked at them. I looked at them, I'm like, oh my gosh, like my fasting blood sugar is a little bit up. My kidney function actually was down. It was like my GFR was like 76. I know, for like a young, I consider myself relatively healthy. And I was like, what is going on here? And, I took a step back and I considered lifestyle, right? Am I sleeping enough? No. Is my stress level well managed? I think I could definitely do better at that. Like, I just started really looking at these pieces and I was like, it really matters, right? I eat like a pretty healthy diet, even beyond this huge nutrition piece. It really matters what we put our body through on a daily basis, right? Being able to take some time to rest, right? In this go, go, go society, rest is not glorified as much as it should be. Rest is like so important. Yeah, as a mom of young kids, I like crave rest, but rest is so important. And so is, taking time to move our bodies and be active. Like, our bodies are meant to move. And once you get, unslumping yourself, if you've been in the exercise slump, getting back to movement, it feels so good. Being able to take time for gratitude and just be grateful for in our life, the good things that are there, and not being so buried by the stress and anger and fear. We're all human, right? Those things happen to us, but it does truly impact us. So, those lifestyle pieces range from like exercise, stress management, sleep, to just like that goodness of gratitude and being able to get yourself in that good spot of self-care is so important. And like, here I am a living example of seeing where you can have a lot of good things in place, and that lifestyle piece really kicked me in the butt. And it was a great, thank goodness we get blood work and labs, because it helps us reflect, right? And it gave me time to reflect and say, whoa, okay, no more like staying up till 2 a.m. trying to catch up on email. Like, that is crazy. That's totally crazy. We're just going to go to bed at a reasonable time now, take some time, to step back. And that has been, really helpful for me. And I'm so much happier, right? Like, it's so much better. So that lifestyle, you cannot underestimate with kidney disease. You cannot underestimate anything, but it really impacts kidney function so much. Look at, and that's why we have a mindset coach at KNI. And they're not a health coach, right? We have a mindset coach, not so that people can really get in a space of, it can helpful of, I'm gonna, just focus on kidney health, being able to dig into your subconscious. Yes, that's valuable, but more so it is to be able to take a good look at your life and that lifestyle cornerstone, and really be able to talk it through with someone. Like, how am I going to kind of step away from this stressful situation, or how am I going to deal with every time I get labs that I'm so stressed and I'm worried? Like, can you help talk me through that so that this diagnosis is not ruling my life and causing more stress, which then causes more problems. And like, I mean, you've had Nicole on here before, but she's magic.
I was going to say, Nicole's just brilliant, you know, and
Amazing,
she's obviously
amazing.
Yeah, she's so amazing. She worked in public health for such a long time. So her background is this stuff, and she knows the Western medical model so well that, you know, the crossover and the transference of her skill set is really exceptional. So yeah, she's amazing. We've got another interview coming up, but we're just about to put her first one live, which was such a great conversation. So yeah, it's so important that, and then now you're treating yourself as a person, you're treating yourself holistically, you're not treating yourself as a disease, you're treating you as you. And that really is where true health and healing, you know, you get this opportunity. And I do think disease, if we look at it from a different point of view, is an opportunity to overhaul your lifestyle and you know, make greater connections and change some really bad habits. So again, Jessiana, thanks again. I love this conversation, and we will see you next time to talk all things kidney disease. Thanks for being part of our community, guys. Take care. Bye.
Bye-bye.